If you want your line to be like really precise, thin, you're gonna pick just a little bit less of your weaver gel. Try not to get like deep too much in it, and it will make it too thick for you. So if you're just using dot tool pickers here, you can control your strokes wherever you want to go, I guess. What did I do? I touched my nails in there. Sorry. I like this color though, Libras. Thank you so much, everyone, even tuning in this late. You know what is, I was ready to do it earlier, but then Sarah did a nice live tutorial, plus I was in the meeting, so. But I'm so happy that I'm here, and then I have tomorrow with everyone too, so I'm just thrilled that I feel like this was going fast. All right, so if you want more, you can. I'm gonna fast clear this one for 30 seconds. And this weaver gel, I don't know how long that take you to finish this part. It takes so long and it'll last you. And it's so consistency, it's so stringy. You will never get your like string to be cut up in the middle of like drawing it. So I'm gonna put it on the side. And then what do you want me to try this? This. All right. Oh, they're so stunning. I'm looking at this at the first, but I'm wanted to share with you because just in case you want. I think I did this one before. Rose.
She wants roses.
Where's the roses? Livas. Where's the rose?
Here. Letter roses.
Oh, you want this one?
Roses, blue roses, orange roses.
Okay. Leaf. Which one?
That's blind.
Face.
Just stop picking stuff.
Face, leaf, rose. There you go. Right there. Interesting.
This side. There you go.
And I'm using the other end of my tweezer and blend this on to give it really good rub on. How long do you cure this one?
30 seconds. You want 60 next time?
No, it's good. Get me some alcohol. All right, and rose right here. Face rose. Should we do the big one? Smaller one. Oh, it's so fun to play with. It's cool now. I'm gonna wipe this one really quick something stain on my nails right there. It looks good now. It's just a little stain here. It's bugging me. Not bad. All right, next. Leaves. I don't want to put palm leaves in that one. What about that? Can I put some bird in there? No, this bird doesn't show. Look at the, what is the orange in here though? Sorry, just curious. Could I see that? But then I said, wait, I didn't see the orange in there. You see that? Is that the orange? Right there. See that orange? Right there. Maybe I'll do butterflies on the other one. There you go. It's fun. And what else do we doing it? We can do another. See if we have any orange. This one. I just want part of it. Maybe half of the face today. Too busy. The leaf? No. Sorry. I don't want anything. I have an idea for this because I have it on the side right there. Because I don't want to cover all my weaver gels. You know? So I'm leaving it like that. Sorry, after like I say, wait a minute. Okay, so now I'm happy with this. I am going to using my condensed glue gels. I don't know if I ever gonna just keep up the crystal placements at all. Condensed glue gel. So then it's not only using for crystal placement, also you can adhere encapsulating the stickers on the nails and adhere crystal at the same time. So I'm gonna apply it on the top of stickers right there, and okay, really thick density, so you need to do it just the one coat. And next I am going to using a no wipe top coat on. Oh, maybe what should we do with this one? It's like a matte look, huh? Should we do matte or shiny? Matte. You said that, and then I'm holding the shiny top coat. Sorry. Next one. So I'm just floating on the top of condensed glue gel. You don't want to do it too much to drag all of your glue gels away. Looks like, it says the screen look dark. It looks dark to me. You can do this in like rose gold or on the silver. Either way, it looks good. And tribal art. Can you open one of this? Some of the tribal art pieces. So I want to add some of my crystals. It's different and I really like it though. I'm about to put something in the middle of that frame right there. Maybe I should put red on it. Oh, it looks good now. Should I put red on it? It looks weird when you do red. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that color. I have so many. I don't know. Maybe I want this. Sorry. Good. If you want some red on it. You want it?
No, I say maybe an opal on it.
Maybe opal?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, then get me the opal.
Like big white opal.
So it looks red. It looks so cool. It's okay. We can do opal in the next one. Because I didn't have the opal on my side. Of course that I have a zillion of them in here. Or you know what is gonna look good though? Let's open this one. Let's open that. I know what's gonna look better on it. Well, try this. I think in red it looks cool, but we'll try something else. Ooh, this one looks good. Look at that. Maybe. Here, the kiss. Rose. Whatever it is. Alright, so if you're happy with this, we're gonna key this one for 60 seconds. I'm gonna wipe it off on the side. Hey Chantella, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Alright, ready to gear? Oh, it looks different though. Everyone just keep in mind that if you